The Betz mystery sphere is perceived by a number of the world's leading ufologists as the most compelling piece of evidence to support the existence of extraterrestrial life ever released to the public. This bizarre, self-propelling, seamless metallic orb was discovered by Terry Matthew Betz during a massive bushfire on their property on Fort George Island in Florida in 1974. Due to the object's alleged supernatural capabilities, it quickly became the center of fascination amongst the general public, and an object of incredible interest for national scientists, military officials, and many other government bodies. When the family approached newspapers with their find, the story of the mystery sphere quickly spread throughout the international media. After a few weeks of its discovery, the sphere began to mysteriously resonate. The family also alleged it would seemingly be stuck in position on occasion, not able to be lifted or moved, also claiming it would often travel up inclines on its own. It would resonate if anyone played a guitar next to it, or if pushed, would change direction on its own, appearing to be more noticeable if in direct sunlight. Perplexed by the bizarre sphere and indeed the family's claimed experiences, it wasn't long before officials from NASA, the United States military, and the Aerial Phenomena Research Organization came to conduct studies. Intriguingly, their initial research noted that the steel sphere had not been manufactured or indeed tampered with in any way. Navy spokesman Chris Berlinger said to the press at the time, quote, "Our first X-ray attempts got us nowhere. We're going to use a more powerful machine on it and also run spectrographic tests to determine what metal it's made of. There's certainly something odd about it." End quote. When military officials asked the Betz family if they could take the sphere back to their labs to conduct further research, the family declined. Eventually, it was seized by officials, at which point the family claimed it had been exhibiting overwhelming paranormal behavior, slamming doors without being touched, often emitting a loud, strange music at night, and many other activities reminiscent of traditional poltergeist reports. After its seizure, the sphere was taken to Jacksonville Naval Air Station. When attempting to perform an X-ray, researchers allegedly found their machines weren't strong enough to see into its core. They also revealed that it was capable of withstanding an incredible 120,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. The Navy eventually used a 300 kilovoltage X-ray machine to peer inside. They discovered the sphere contained two items, surrounded by a halo of materials. It also exhibited 4 magnetic poles, 2 negative and 2 positives. Unfortunately, the current whereabouts of the Betz sphere is, predictably, unknown, and it is likely to never be seen publicly again. What is the Betz sphere? A military instrument? An alien craft? Possibly an ancient advanced artifact? It is undoubtedly highly compelling.